It really helps if you draw out the prism before actually starting to solve it. And what do they tell us? They tell us that the height is 90 centimeters and that it has a square base. So square base instantly tells me that this base right here is going to have an area of s squared, and these faces will have areas of 90s, right? Like these rectangle. And they're telling us the surface area of one rectangular prism is k, right? So it'll be useful to basically figure out what k is in terms of s. So k will be nothing more than this side plus this other square base, right? So the top and bottom, which would be 2s squared, and then all four rectangular sides, right? Which would be nothing more than 4 times 90 times s, right? Because each area is 90s. So that is going to be giving us k as 2s squared plus 360s, okay? And now what else are they telling us? They're telling us that when you glue them along together by the square base, right? So that's like basically getting like one rectangular prism, right? And then like adding another one right here. So kind of like extending it and adding another one. So if you kind of imagine you're getting like two like Jenga pieces and putting them long ways next to each other. So they're telling us that that is equal to 97 over 40 or 92 over 47k, right? So we basically will get the original surface areas, right? So 2k's, right? But remember that we're joining them along the square base, so we have to subtract the area that we're missing, right? Because that's no longer our exterior surface. Those two square faces get removed, so that's going to be minus 2s squared is equal to 92 over 47k. Okay, and now let's just express this one in terms of k. So to do that, I multiply both sides by 47. That gives me 94k minus 94s squared is equal to 92k. And then if I set this equal to 0 by subtracting 92 on both sides, or 92k, I will get 2k is equal to 9, or 2k minus 94s squared is equal to 0, and that will then give me 2k is going to be equal to 94s squared, or k is equal to 47s, right? Or 47s squared. So now that we have that, we can basically plug this in to the original equation that we just solved for.